Not happy with the image quality on your Canon DSLR? Blurry, dull, or low-resolution photos usually come from the wrong settings, but with a few quick tweaks, you can boost your image quality instantly. Let's fix it right now. First, switch on your Canon camera, then press the menu button. Now tap on Image Quality. You can use your touchscreen or you can tap the Set button here. Now, you can choose RAW or L. L stands for Large and JPEG. You can choose RAW plus L. This is a good option if you want the flexibility of RAW but also need a quick-to-view JPEG. Now, look at your screen. Then tap ISO. Now, make sure to keep the ISO as low as possible. Now look at the top of the camera body. Use the mode dialer. And then set the mode to P, TV, AV, or M. Now try to make a photo and check whether your image quality has increased or not. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.